broken back glass back cover of the Galaxy S21 Ultra. By doing this yourself, you're going to save 80% of what you will have given someone to do this repair for you. As always, I will be starting by hitting the back glass, the back cover of this S21 Ultra using my heat gun. This heat gun costs only $9. You can do this with a hairdryer. It is going to take a little bit more time than using a heat gun. A hairdryer can do it. My first video was a Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. I did replace the back glass of that device with a hairdryer. The back glass of this device is badly broken, so a suction cup is not going to work. I used my big suction cup and tried it. It didn't work. I then used my smaller suction cup, which didn't work also. In that case, you need to apply some duct tape on the bottom side of the back glass and start hitting the back glass again because it cooled down a little bit while I was installing the duct tape on it. Also, this time my smallest suction cup is working. I'm able to pull the back glass slightly, and after that I did insert my guitar pick at the bottom portion of the device. There are two ways you can remove the back glass of this Galaxy S21 Ultra. You can see I have added more duct tape on the back of this back glass. As I was moving with my guitar pick, I had some cracked glass and the particles of glass were falling on my hands. Near the cameras, make sure that the guitar pick doesn't go far inside and it doesn't touch the camera modules. Doing everything this way slowly and hitting the back glass as needed is the first method. The second method is to pull by force the back glass and remove it with brute force. Doing that is going to create a lot of broken particles of glass. You must have some duct tape on the back glass in order to do brute force method. The broken back glass has been removed out of the S21 Ultra. Do not throw it away. We need to transfer something on it onto the new back glass. Blowing air on the camera lenses is very important in order to avoid having any dust or any particle of glass on those. From the old back glass, the only thing that we need is the flashlight cover. In order to remove the flashlight cover, you need to hit the old camera bezel, and after that you can use one of your tools and remove the flashlight cover. This is the new back cover that I'm going to install on this Galaxy S21 Ultra. Do not skip this critical step. You need to apply pressure on the back cover, especially on the double-sided tape, in order for it to stick firmly onto the back cover before we can install it on the S21 Ultra. The next thing that we have to do is to remove all these blue protecting film that are covering the camera lens area. After we have removed all those, we can install now the flashlight cover. Make sure that you blow some air on the camera lens area before you install the flashlight cover. For the installation on this S21 Ultra, make sure that the camera bezel on the back cover is fully fitted near the frame of the device. This area is a little bit weird because the back cover has two sides, aluminum and glass. After you have aligned the back cover and the frame of the device, make sure that you inspect on all four corners of this device before you start applying finger pressures to make sure that the back glass starts to stick onto the frame of the device. The back glass is fully fitted on this S21 Ultra. The next thing is to apply some clamps. Those clamps are going to apply constant pressure for at least 10 minutes and make sure that the back glass stick firmly onto the frame of the device. Instead of using these clamps, you can use paper binding clamps. Those can work also. On some of my older videos, I used those paper binding clamps and it worked well. For the camera glass replacement only, click the video on the screen. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like and share, and I will see you on the next video.